Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best MIG welder you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best MIG welder in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Weldpro Inverter MIG Welder. The Weldpro Inverter 155 amp MIG welder is a great tool for enthusiasts and other who are looking for a budget-friendly machine. It's one of the smaller MIG welders available in this size and, because it is capable of connecting to the 220 volt and 110 volt power outlets, it is extremely versatile in its adaptability. It allows both manual and automated wire feeding based upon the kind of welding you're making or your preference. If you're using long beads or welding in an awkward location in which you're unable to control the torch correctly, then you can allow it to feed itself automatically to make the job simpler. The leads may not be longer than we'd prefer, but it's an economical model that gives space for purchasing more aftermarket components like a larger gun lead should you require it. Weldpro is a reputable manufacturer of welders, and has been on the market for a long time. They have a knack for building high-quality components and maintaining a low cost. This machine with 155 amps is a great example of that. For details, let's watch more. Our second best MIG welder is Forney Easy Weld 261. The Forney 140 welder is an impressive flux core capable welder. Perfect for first-time welders up to avid users. Applications include do-it-yourself projects, general metal fabrication, maintenance and repair, farm and ranch and automotive work. This Forney Easy Weld flux core is a fantastic choice for those who are just beginning to weld with gas. This is a flux core only machine. You won't have the same quality of weld like MIG, however you will save money by using a very portable machine. It can weld up to 1/4 plate steel. It weighs just 19 pounds. So you don't have to purchase carts to place it on. Lightweight 19 pounds easily carried to any do-it-yourself, maintenance, repair, metal fabrication and hobbyist project. All metal case, built to take the day-to-day. Big enough to handle 2 and 10 pound rolls of wire. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is LOTOS MIG 175 MIG Welder. If you're not averse to an inferior quality welder, but would like more variety in the MIG welding process, we recommend the MIG 175 LOTOS 175 AMP welder. It comes with some useful options, such as an aluminum spooling gun included. The majority of MIG machines can be used for welding aluminum, however they aren't able to feed the aluminum wire without having a specifically developed spool gun. The spool gun included allows the wire to be fed smoothly, which means it can be spooled out without folding the lead. The machine does not come with an extended warranty, however it's a budget-friendly machine that's recognized to last for a long time after expiration. Quality of weld may not be up comparable to the Miller standard, however it's not too far behind and will yield nice speeds on any metal that can be welded. The welds are mostly free of spatter in the event that you use the welder at the proper setting. There's usually a small amount of spatter, but it's nothing when compared to other machines of inferior quality. The welding gun and leads aren't as good as we've seen. The connector is a unique design that standard guns cannot work with, so it's difficult to replace it. The machine, however, isn't intended for industrial use and therefore doesn't require an aftermarket torch of the highest quality. Number 4 in our side is Hobart 140 MIG Welder. Built with Hobart quality and durability, the Handler 140 is Hobart's most popular MIG welder. Operating on standard 115 volts household current, the Handler 140 is extremely versatile and perfect for the welder that wants to work on auto body, household repairs, farm projects or yard art projects. A 5-position tapped voltage control selector gives you the ability to fine-tune your arc, offering a smooth, stable arc on all thicknesses. Built with an industrial cast aluminum drive system and a heavy-duty work clamp, the Handler 140 delivers a wire welding package with industrial performance. Its Hobart Handler 140 is an ideal choice for those who are just beginning to learn how to weld. This is the reason it's one of the most sought-after welders available. It's built with solidity and stands out from many other 140A welders. The arc runs smoothly and gives excellent results. It's ideal for a variety of general repair projects such as frame trailers, automobile body repairs and any other project that is up to 1/4 inch in thickness. If you're new to welding, you won't be able to be wrong with this tiny machine. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best MIG welder list is Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. It's a high-quality unit which is suitable for novices who are looking to master an amperage-based machine. The welder is easy to learn and comes with an extensive instruction manual which makes the process more simple, whether you've prior experience or not. This 140 MP is among the most well-known MIG machines available and also comes with the capability to TIG weld when you wish to purchase an IG lead to diversify your expertise. The leads of the machine aren't as long as we'd like, however the majority of leads in stock are that long unless you buy a Miller electric welder or similar. It is compact and lightweight, with a strong case that is heavy duty. This makes it perfect to use in areas where it is susceptible to damages and needs to be carried. It also operates well on 110 volts in the event that you have to use it in areas where you aren't able to access power points with 240 volt voltage. The 3-in-1 nature of this machine makes it capable of DC TIG welding. To use this process, you will need to purchase the appropriate torch, regulator, hose, tungsten electrodes and gas separately. For details, let's watch more.